Hi guys, we are looking for Forex traders just like you to take part in our educational challenge. You can earn while you learn. The goal, the purpose of this educational challenge is for you to become a pro trader and trade capital of up to $500,000. You will be given access to a bespoke indicator that has been developed by expert traders over many years. This indicator makes it easy to identify buying and selling opportunities in the market. So, if you think you've got what it takes to complete this challenge, then click on the link below. Good morning, traders. It's Friday. Woohoo! It's Easter Friday to be exact, and everyone is on holiday. So, probably not the best day to trade today, guys. Volume will be a little bit thin. However, I'm still going to look at yesterday's trades. I'm going to give you some potential trades for today, and we're going to look at the important news because we still have NFPs coming out. So, it's going to move the markets, guys. All right, but happy Easter. Yeah, I hope you've all sent your chocolate eggs to me. That'd be greatly appreciated. Right, before we get started with yesterday's trades, a few things to mention. First of all, the Discord channel. If you haven't joined it, come join it. We've also got the VIP Discord now, where I give you my trade ideas. I give you access to me throughout the day. You can ask me questions. We have a performance coach on board. We have exclusive content. Come join the VIP Discord. Secondly, guys, if you would like to be mentored one-on-one with myself, we have a mentorship program. So drop us an email and we'll send you all of the details. And what's the last one, guys? Oh, yes, the educational challenge. If you would like to be given a bespoke indicator and learn how to use it and earn money while you learn, you do have to pay for this challenge, but the rewards are very good. So check out the challenge as well, guys. All the information for all of these things are in the video description. Right, trades from yesterday. Yesterday was a tricky day, guys. Yeah, I got into a couple of trades that didn't work out great yesterday, but we will have days like this. Yeah, not every day is Christmas in the market. So long as you follow your money management, you'll be fine. But let's have a look at a few trades then and why we took them or didn't take them. This one particular is very interesting. So Euro Aussie dollar. Yeah, this was a trade from yesterday, and we were looking to short this pair. Okay, this grey zone through here is a weekly resistance level. Okay, so this is an important level for this pair. However, let's take a look what happened. So we were clearly in an uptrend until we hit this area of weekly resistance, and then we just got choppy price action, followed by bang, this candle here, which broke all of these lows. So for me, when I saw this candle, I was thinking we'd come lower. Okay, as it turns out, we haven't. Yeah, but yesterday or the day before yesterday, we got this candle as well. Okay, which closed back inside these highs, which again told me we were still, could potentially push lower with this pair. But again, we got this bullish candle. All right, so yeah, it's been a difficult pair. But we're going to look at why I didn't take this trade, guys, all right? So let's go down to the H1 now. Remember, we were looking for shorts. Okay, so we've got this grey zone up top here, this grey zone here, okay, because price has reacted many times in this grey zone. Okay, it's quite a large grey zone, but there's lots of price action in it. And, yeah, in our grey zone, I always say to my traders, Discord traders, VIP, is we are looking for a bearish reaction. And we get it. Yeah, we get a H1 bearish reaction here. Okay, let me circle it with this pen. Okay, so we get a bearish H1 reaction. Okay, but on its own, yeah, I need more. I did a video the other day about confluence, and confluence is giving you more reasons to enter a trade. So once I get my H1 bearish candles that tell me sellers are in control, I then drop down to the M15, the 15-minute chart. So let's take a look at that and look at this circled area. So if we move across, guys, yeah, you can see in this circled area. So this is that those two H1 candles we're looking at. But look at price action in terms of the M15, okay? It never breaks down, okay, and carries on up. I was looking for a break of this level. I actually put this in my VIP Discord, guys, all right? And I was saying to my traders, if this breaks, yeah, then I'll be looking to get in. But it never did, guys. It never broke, so we never got into this pair. All right. And it just goes to show how important these levels of confluence are. Yeah, I did not get that M15 structure break. I didn't enter this pair. Okay. So, yeah, a really good lesson, guys, this one. All right. So we got the bearish H1 candles, as I've highlighted, but we didn't get the M15 structure break. I stayed out of this trade, and thank God we did. Okay, but it's interesting to see what happens up here now. Okay, so that was Euro Aussie dollar, no trade there. The next one was this pound Canadian dollar. And to be honest with you guys, out of all the Canadian pairs that I got into yesterday, I wish this was the one. Yeah, I ended up getting in Euro Canadian dollar instead of this one, and that didn't work out well. But this one is still potentially a good trade. So let's take a look at what we're looking at. So if I zoom out, guys, you can see this last high here. This is a weekly level. This is a weekly resistance level. Okay. We drop down now, guys. Yeah. We've also, we had a lot of bearish reaction here, but then price has pushed back up. Okay. But it's pushed back up to this gray zone again, where we got this bearish candle the other day, okay, the day before yesterday to be exact. So yeah, I was still happy to take shorts, potentially back down to this blue line or even back down to these lows, because this is such an important weekly level. So that was the idea. I mean, if you're still in this trade, I still think we could be okay. Yeah, we've got this wick here that rejected price, potentially still room to the downside. Let's look at the H1 now to see how we could get in on this pair. So, yeah, similar story to the Euro Canadian dollar. We were just waiting for price to break down. So we were in a downtrend anyway, okay? But we come back up to this level. Okay, let's draw that again. Okay, so we're seeing this, guys. So we were at this point. We're still in a downtrend because we had lower lows. But again, we wanted to see a break of structure, especially on the M15. And that happened in here. So once we got this candle, yeah, this candle was the catalyst for us to start looking for shorts. And again, I mentioned this on my VIP Discord. So let's zoom into this candle. Once this candle forms, yeah, we're looking for shorts. But we need a retrace, guys, because firstly, if I sell here, I'm selling into potentially a bit of support. Yeah, first of all. And secondly, if I sell here, I have to put my stop up here. And this is like, 60 pips, which is okay. I have 60 pip stop losses, but I'm looking for a retrace for value. So I pinpointed this area in the VIP Discord for an area to short. Price still pushed up, but our stop will be up here. But then we have this candle as well that is encouraging, okay, to take short. So it's really in the balance, this trade, if you ask me, guys. So yeah, we'll see what happens today. But if you were going to enter, yeah, you could have entered on a retrace here or even on the close of this candle here. Okay, so let's see what happens today. But yeah, like I said, guys, I got in Euro Canadian dollar and that didn't end well. All right, guys. So yeah, if you're still in this trade, I think you'll be okay. Yeah, judging by that daily candle, I think at least we can take it back down to these lows here. Okay, so that was pound Canadian dollar. And the final one was oil. And oil just hasn't broken that level. Yeah, so day chart, as you can see, guys, we're at this really important level on this grey zone, this important level up here. Price has reacted historically. Okay, so it's a really important resistance level. If we drop down now, the day chart, we also got a bearish candle. Yeah, not super bearish, I'm aware, but bearish. Sellers, yeah, have entered the market. But then if we drop down to the H1, guys, this is all I'm looking for. Yeah, this is the level that we need to break. Okay. And this is an ongoing trade, guys. Yeah. If I see a break, hence my alarm, this not blue, colorblind, this orange dotted line is my alarm. So if price breaks this level, yeah, I'm getting in. Okay. So it's an ongoing trade, but didn't happen yesterday. Let's be patient. All right, guys. So those were the trades from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. So it was a tricky day yesterday, guys. Yeah, trades didn't necessarily pan out as we expected, but we will have days like that. Just follow your money management to the letter. Protect your capital. When you're having a good day, trading's easy. When you're having a bad day, that's when you get tested. Okay, and you must protect that capital. Stick to your money management. We'll have losing days. No problem. Right, guys. So trades for Friday, the 7th of April. Happy Easter, by the way, before we get started. And it's an unusual day. The world is on holiday, but we still got NFPs coming out. So, yeah, must keep an eye on that. So, yeah, before I give you my trade ideas for today, 3 things. First of all, Discord channel. If you haven't joined it, join it. Lots of cool things on there. We've also got the VIP Discord now. You have to pay for the VIP, but you get access to me throughout the day. You get trading signals, you get exclusive content, and you get access to a performance coach, sorry. Come join it. Secondly, if you would like to join my mentorship program where I teach you one-on-one, then drop us an email and we'll send you all the details. And thirdly, yeah, our educational challenge, guys. We'll give you a bespoke indicator to learn and use, and you can earn money while you learn. You have to pay for this challenge, but the rewards are really good. Right, that's everything. Let's take a look at today's trades for Friday, the 7th of April. To be honest with you guys, it was tricky to sort of pick out a couple of trades. Nothing was like blaringly obvious or shouting at me, but I am looking at a couple of trades. So let me show you them. So first of all, Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. All right. And what I'm seeing, guys, is potentially this. So price, was in a downtrend. Okay. And then price just shot back up, breaking this high. So it's now in an uptrend. And now it's come all the way back down to almost this area of resistance, this last high, and the moving average 20. So there's quite a bit of support here. So I'm just looking to take price back up to this blue line. Okay. We have had this, green candle, not super bullish, but it tells us that buyers are entering the market. So for all these reasons, I'm looking to buy back up to this blue line, this psychological level of 9,850. Okay. Yeah, I'm seeing a bit of yen weakness. Yeah, so yeah, keep an eye out for that. But I'm picking out 2 in particular. So Canadian dollar yen, we're looking to buy this pair. If we look at the H1 now, yeah, this is my hourly grey zone. If we zoom back, you can see prices reacted here, here, and over here as well. Okay, so this grey zone in here is an important level on the H1 for me. Okay, we've also got this. I mean, you could draw this in as well. We've also got, yeah, an area of support here as well. So what am I looking for, guys? I am looking for a bullish reaction in this grey zone. Okay. Once we get that bullish reaction, I will then look for buys. Yeah, we can buy this pair. And the idea will be to take it back up to this level. If price starts breaking down, I'm not interested. Yeah, if it does break down, I think it's going to come all the way back down to this grey zone. Okay, but if we get a bullish reaction in here, I think we can, carry on this trade. So a bullish reaction in here would be a more aggressive trade. What we could wait for is a break of these highs. Yeah, once price comes out, we get a bullish candle that breaks all of these highs. Yeah, a bit of a retest. Then we can start buying this pair as well. All right, so yeah, a couple of ways we can trade it, but yeah, we're looking for buys Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. The next one, guys, is euro yen. Like I said, guys, seeing a bit of yen weakness yesterday creep in. Euro yen. Let's have a look at the day chart. So yeah, as you can see, guys, we're in an uptrend. We were in a downtrend. As soon as this low here is broken, yeah, this low here, we're in a downtrend. And then let me draw that again. I've been drinking vodka, guys, with my porridge again. I apologize. We're in a downtrend. Okay, didn't make any lower lows and then bounced all the way back up, breaking this last high in here. So we have higher highs. Okay, prices come back down. This is potentially a higher low in here. Okay, so the idea is just to take price back up to this grey zone. We also have, a very bullish candle. Yeah, this is classed as a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. Okay, because it engulfs more than 50% of this candle. Okay, so I think again we can take price back up to this blue line and this psychological level of 144.50. Okay, so that's what we're looking at to buy this pair. If we go to the H1, what am I looking for? So again, there's a grey zone through here, guys, because price has reacted here, here, also here. Okay, so there's an area through here. So currently, yeah, we're getting a good reaction. So we want to see a bullish reaction out of this grey zone. And as you can see, it's hitting the moving average 20 as well. So we've got a bit of double support here, okay, which is nice. We like double support. So yeah, if we get a bullish reaction, we can take price back up to these highs. Or similar with the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, we can wait for a break of these highs, get a break, yeah, and then we can carry on up to this level. Okay, guys, but euro yen, we're looking to buy this pair as well. There is one more trade. Let's take a look. Before I show you this trade, if you're enjoying the analysis, come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you. The last one is this, guys. Pound against the New Zealand dollar. Okay, if we zoom out, yeah, we've still got a bit of room, I think, before we get this resistance. It could even come up, back up to here. Okay, but I'm being conservative with my blue line. This is my target. But there's still a bit of room here to move into. If we look at the day chart, we can clearly see we're in an uptrend. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Yeah, these lows here held. Yeah, higher lows, higher highs. Yeah, yesterday's candle, this big green candle here, broke all of these highs, which tells me there's a continuation of trend. Yeah, and it's super duper bullish. Yeah, we need a bit of a retrace to represent value. But yeah, I'm looking to long this pair. We drop down to the H1 chart. Yeah, I've drawn, let me zoom out so you can see my grey zone. Okay, so my grey zone is in here because you can see price has reacted many, many times in this grey zone. And that's all we're looking for, guys, is historic price action has reacted at an area. Okay, and that is why I have chosen this grey zone. Simple as that, guys. Once price comes back down into this grey zone, we want to see a bullish reaction. So when I say bullish reaction, it could be a bullish H1 candle, a bullish H4 candle, combined with an M15 structure break. And we saw how important the M15 structure break is in the Euro Aussie dollar trade yesterday. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Once we get that, we can then enter the trade. I'd take price back up to here, close 80%, and then leave 20% to run. All right, guys. So, yeah, those are the trade ideas for Easter. Yeah, you're probably not trading, and this video is totally in vain. But if you've enjoyed the vid, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. Smash the notification button. Join Discord. Check out the mentorship program and check out the educational challenge as well. Let's take a look at the news now. News for the 7th of April, which is a Friday. Good Friday. Happy Easter, everyone. Look at everyone on holiday. I'm not. Still working. But happy holidays, guys. All right, but let's carry on because there is some news releases today and some important ones. So basically, guys, the whole market, the whole world will be looking at this today. Yeah, 1:30 London GMT, we've got two pieces of very important data coming out of the US. So this is really going to move the US dollar and potentially other pairs. And because volume will be a little bit thin because people are on holiday, it could really move the market. Okay, so 1:30, we've got non-farm payrolls and we've got the unemployment rate, guys. So must be aware of this. Probably don't be in a US dollar trade. And if we carry on down, guys, nothing else to worry about. All right, guys. So, yeah, that's the news. Vid finished. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, come join us. Subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you. I hope you have a great Easter, guys, a great weekend, and I'll catch up with you next week.